It's my first time in Kisii County. One or two, skiza. What's up? So right now we're in Narok, as you can see, Narok County. I'm so tired. I've been in the car for like I don't know how many hours, and we're not even there yet. So yeah. We're in Kisii County. Yeah, it's early morning and I'm going for a walk, a nature walk, exploration indeed. So this is a farm, just maize and more maize. I have no idea where I'm going. So this is a new place. I've never been here before. It's my first time in Kisii County. So this place is cold, really cold, but at least right now the sun is out. Yeah, and I can feel my legs. So I was told there's a river down this path. There is a river and I want to go check it out. Notice ni pesa.